Android Skin and Years insiders and tipsters have shared several key details about these upcoming devices, including the use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip across all models. Now, a fresh set of leaked cases provides a glimpse at the front design of the Galaxy S25 lineup. Accessory makers, particularly case manufacturers, often receive device schematics ahead of time to prepare their products. This practice has frequently led to early leaks of new smartphone designs, and today we see it with the Galaxy S25 series, as a third-party case maker reveals the front look of the devices. Roland Quant posted images of third-party silicone covers designed for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The cases align with previous leaks about the Galaxy S25 series, indicating Samsung may be going with a conservative design similar to the current Galaxy S24 models. However, there will be some cosmetic refinements. For instance, Samsung is set to reduce bezel sizes around the display, and the next-gen models are expected to be slimmer, making them more comfortable to hold. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models will retain a triple rear camera setup like the Galaxy's 24 series, while the Ultra version will feature 4 sensors. Leaks suggest Samsung will upgrade 2 out of the 4 lenses on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, whereas the cameras on the less expensive models will largely stay the same. The leaked cases also confirm a design distinction between the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its more affordable counterparts. The Standard and Plus models will feature rounded corners, while the Ultra will have a boxier shape with sharper edges. Unlike the iPhone 16 series, there are no significant changes to the physical button layout. Samsung will stick with traditional volume and power buttons as expected. Yes, we've gotten another look at a supposed Galaxy S25 Ultra. A photo claiming to show the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been circulating across social media in recent days. After a quick analysis and a nod from our sources, we can confidently say this image is not real, it's fake. If you come across this photo on social platforms being presented as the first hands-on look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, approach it with as much skepticism as possible. Unless it's a rare one-off prototype that will never make it to production, we're quite certain it's a fake, and we're leaning strongly toward that conclusion. One peculiar aspect of this image is that the device shown resembles the Galaxy Z Fold 6 almost exactly. In fact, it appears more like a Galaxy Z Fold 6 sliced in half, missing its other cover screen. The frame in the image has identical antenna and microphone placements, the same camera layout, and even the side button has the familiar contour seen on devices with side-mounted fingerprint sensors, like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and unlike the Galaxy S series. Moreover, this device lacks a couple of rear-facing sensors, with only 3 visible, which aligns with the design of Samsung's foldable phones, but doesn't match what we expect the Galaxy S25 Ultra to look like. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.